everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some mark making with some spoons. I have just a plastic spoon and then a couple of these little mini spoons. I got these from some pigments that I ordered, and I haven't used them, so I figured maybe I'd just use them to see what kind of designs I could make with them. You could use the handle, but I'm also going to use the back of the spoon and dip it and kind of swipe or stamp on my pages. I have this gold ink. It's a copper plate gold calligraphy color, and it's a really pretty gold. I'm just going to pour it right out. I wanted to use something other than my oil-based paint, so I'm going to do this. I kind of want to see what this larger one would do, and also, yeah, so we're just gonna dip this in to the ink, and I kind of just want to stamp it and like swipe it down a little bit just to see what kind of line it's gonna make. Okay, so it's only gonna do about one really good mark. Oh, I like that one. That one's a nice little petal shape. So dip and down. Okay. So definitely need to re-add the ink, but you can, I think you could just do if you wanted some, oh that's, okay. So you can also just do some dots. I always like doing that and testing that out. First one is going to be the largest, and then as you use up your ink, they're going to get smaller. So I'm going to do few of those. This ink is really pretty. I did it on a green page to just add some extra embellishments for something, and it dried really nicely. So again, love my metallics and love to have different options. Okay, I'm going to grab another page and test out these smaller spoons. Okay, I think I'm going to leave one of my green pages. I'm kind of wondering, so there's a little lip on the back of this, and I'm kind of wondering if I can get a, yeah, a little bit of a stamp mark. I like that. And the spoon, it's really flexible, so I'm able to kind of keep the actual spoon part off the page. All right, so I'm gonna leave that one like that. I think you could go both ways and fill in a little bit more up there, but I want to just leave it as is. I might try and do just a few. Okay. I like how flexible the spoon is. I was really able to lift this part off so that it wasn't interfering with my other designs. But that was fun. It kind of reminds me of a safety pin a little bit. But we'll set that one aside, and I want to try one more on this and just see what the back of the spoons. I'm going to grab my other one that's clean, and then we're just going to do just kind of paint with the back of it. All right, nice little organic shapes. I think my favorite was the stamp using the back of the spoon, but I will get some pictures when they're all dry. I hope you guys like this video and just seeing what household items you can use to make your own designs. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.